Imagine waking up every day in a bedroom that exudes elegance, comfort, and pure luxury. Bedrooms are more than just a place to sleep. They are sanctuaries of relaxation and personal style. In today's video, we're unveiling the top $10 million bedroom designs and ideas that redefine luxury living. Whether it's about dramatic lighting, plush fabrics, or innovative layouts, these ideas are sure to inspire. Stick around as we explore bedrooms so stunning they're worth every penny of their $1 million appeal. Let's get started. Number one, the Grand Canopy Retreat. Step into a bedroom fit for royalty with a grand canopy bed. Imagine intricate wood or metalwork framing a luxurious, oversized bed draped with layers of sheer silk or velvet curtains. The bedding features high Stred Count Egyptian cotton sheets accompanied by a mix of decorative pillows and a plush duvet. To enhance the drama, add ambient lighting embedded in the canopy frame. A coordinating bench at the foot of the bed, paired with vintage-style bedside tables and crystal lamps, completes the regal ambiance. This design transforms your bedroom into a statement of sophistication. Number two, Panoramic Paradise. Wake up to breathtaking views every morning with floor-to-ceiling windows. This design brings the outdoors in, featuring expansive glass walls overlooking mountains, oceans, or city skylines. Motorized curtains or shades provide convenience and privacy while maintaining the room's sleek aesthetic. Pair this design with minimalist furniture like a platform bed with clean lines and neutral tones that let the scenery shine. At a cozy seating nook by the window, complete with a cashmere throw and a modern lamp, creating a serene escape within your home. Number three, statement lighting masterpiece. Illuminate your space with an unforgettable chandelier that becomes the focal point of your bedroom. Choose from intricate crystal designs, modern LED structures, or even an oversized pendant light inspired by art installations. To complement the centerpiece, layer the lighting with recessed ceiling lights, bedside sconces, and underbed LED strips. Use dimmers to adjust the ambiance, transitioning seamlessly from bright and functional to soft and romantic. This lighting approach not only adds drama, but also enhances the overall elegance of the room. Number four, tailored luxury headboards. Upgrade your bedroom instantly with a custom designed headboard. Opt for an oversized piece that spans the width and height of the wall behind your bed. Choose rich materials like tufted velvet, embossed leather, or even polished wood with intricate carvings. To elevate the look further, add built-in lighting to highlight the texture and design. And this headboard doubles as an art piece, creating a bold yet harmonious backdrop that ties the entire room together. Number five, integrated smart technology haven. Create the bedroom of the future by integrating cutting-edge smart technology. Imagine controlling your room's lighting, temperature, and curtains with a simple voice command or through an app. Hidden charging docks and wireless charging pads ensure convenience without compromising aesthetics. Add a smart bed that adjusts your preferred firmness level and tracks your sleep patterns. Hidden TVs that emerge from furniture or ceiling map projectors create a seamless blend of tech and luxury, making your bedroom both functional and futuristic. Number six, boutique hotel elegance. Recreate the indulgence of a five-star hotel in your own home. Start with a king-size bed layered with plush bedding, including a feather mattress topper, high-quality linens, and decorative throws. Incorporate a seating area featuring a chaise lounge or armchairs paired with a sleek side table. Use a color palette of rich neutrals like champagne, taupe, and gold, accented with metallic finishes. A statement rug, abstract art, and soft ambient lighting create a space that feels both opulent and inviting. Number seven, spa-inspired ensuite connection. Bring the relaxation of a spa into your bedroom with a connected ensuite that exudes luxury. A freestanding soaking tub positioned near large windows creates a serene focal point. Include a rainfall shower with body jets and a steam function for ultimate rejuvenation. Double vanities with marble countertops and gold fixtures add elegance, while heated floors ensure comfort. Seamlessly transition the ensuite into the bedroom with matching design elements like wood tones and soft lighting, creating a cohesive retreat. Number 8, walk-in closet as a showroom. Elevate your bedroom by pairing it with a walk-in closet that feels like a high-end boutique. Custom shelving, LED lit displays, and mirrored walls highlight your wardrobe while making the space feel expansive. Add a plush ottoman or bench at the center for convenience and style. Use luxe materials like velvet-lined drawers and polished brass handles to enhance the sense of sophistication. A chandelier or statement light fixture in the closet adds the finishing touch. Number 9, nature-inspired biophilic design. Reconnect with nature through a biophilic approach to your bedroom design. Use large potted plants, green walls, or even indoor trees to bring life and tranquility into the space. Choose natural materials like reclaimed wood furniture, bamboo rugs, and linen bedding. Maximize natural light with large windows, and consider adding water features such as a small indoor fountain for a calming effect. Earthy tones like sage green, terracotta, and beige create a grounding, peaceful atmosphere. Number 10, texture, rich neutral elegance. Craft a soothing yet luxurious space with a neutral color palette. Use shades of ivory, taupe, and gray as the foundation, and introduce texture through materials like boucle, wool, and silk. A textured accent wall, such as Venetian plaster or upholstered panels, adds depth and sophistication. Layered bedding with varying fabrics, a plush area rug, and metallic accents like gold or brass lighting fixtures tie the room together. This approach creates a refined, timeless bedroom that feels both comfortable and upscale. Each of these bedroom designs offers a unique take on luxury and comfort. Which one inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it inspiring, share it with friends who dream of upgrading their space, and subscribe to 90 Ideas for more design inspiration. Tap the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.